In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up Zoho CRM in Zoho One. This process is quick once you know where to click, and it will help you connect Zoho CRM to your workspace inside Zoho One. As you follow along, keep an eye on the left sidebar and the menus on the screen, because most of the actions happen there. First, log in to your Zoho One admin dashboard. Make sure you are signing in with an account that has administrative access. On your screen, you should see the main admin view, which usually includes navigation options on the left and a dashboard area in the center. Take a moment to confirm you are in the admin environment, not a regular user view, because the options you need may look different. Next, click Directory in the left sidebar and select Application. This step is important because it brings you to the place where Zoho One manages the applications you can add and connect. When you click Directory, you may notice the menu expands or changes, and then selecting Application takes you to the Catalog area where apps are listed. If you see a section for managing applications or connected services, you are in the right location. Now click Sale. This selection helps you access the specific application set or category that includes the Zoho CRM offering. Depending on your Zoho One layout, you may see a label or filter that organizes available apps. Click the option that corresponds to Sale as shown in your instructions, and then continue to the Catalog screen. After that, find Zoho CRM from the App Catalog and click Add. At this point, you should see Zoho CRM as a listed app, often with the name clearly visible. Use the search or scroll through the catalog until you locate Zoho CRM. When you click Add, Zoho One will begin the process of connecting CRM to your Zoho One workspace. Then click Assign Users to connect your active team members to the app. This step ensures that the right people have access to Zoho CRM right from the start. After you choose Assign Users, you should see a list of users or team members available in your organization. This is also where you control how each user can interact with the CRM, so take a moment and make sure you select the correct people. Select a user, choose their CRM role and profile permissions, and click Save. For each user you assign, you will need to decide what they can do in Zoho CRM. The CRM role is typically used to define the responsibilities or level of access, while profile permissions control what data and functions that user is allowed to view or manage. Choose a role that matches the user's job responsibilities, and select profile permissions that align with your internal policies. After you confirm the role and permissions, click Save so your changes are applied. Once you have assigned and saved the users you want to connect, launch Zoho CRM from your dashboard to run the initial setup wizard. This final action moves you from adding the application to completing the configuration inside CRM itself. From your Zoho One admin dashboard, look for the Zoho CRM tile or the application link and click to open it. When the initial setup wizard appears, follow the on-screen prompts to complete the default setup for your organization. As you go through the wizard, review each screen carefully so the settings reflect how your team will use CRM. This is the stage where Zoho CRM becomes fully ready for day-to-day work, such as capturing leads, managing contacts, and organizing pipelines. When you finish the wizard and reach the CRM workspace, you will be ready to start using Zoho CRM within Zoho One. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.